What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can verify your Pocket Option account so you can begin trading. So let's get started. Also, if you guys want to save up on trading fees, you can use my referral link from the description below to create a new Pocket Option account, and that way you will get up to 10% lifetime trading fee discount on that new Pocket Option account. So for you to deposit some funds or withdraw funds from your Pocket Option account, you would need to first verify your profile. So first off, go ahead and click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From there, select the profile option, the first one. Now on your profile tab, first you would need to input your first name, last name. You would of course need to verify your email if you haven't done that already. So once you receive an email from Pocket Option, you would just need to click verify on that email message. From there, you would need to input your phone number and your date of birth. So let's quickly do that and then we can continue. Now, as soon as you input your info right here under the Identity Info tab, this new drop-down menu will load. So here you would be able to input your country right here and then click Confirm. Now just click Confirm. Then click I consent to the processing of my personal data and click Continue. Now you would need to provide an identification document. So this can be either your ID card, your passport, or your residence permit. So depending which one of these you would like to provide as a mean to verify your identity, you would need to select that one. So for this example, let's say ID card, which is the most common one, and click Continue. From here you can either continue on your phone camera or on the camera that you have onto your desktop device. Now they offer you two options because you would need to take a photo of your identification document so you can upload it for identity verification. And depending on your preferences, this can be easier either on your phone or on your desktop device. So I will continue on my computer and I will click Continue. Now, if you already have the document scanned, you can just click Upload Document, but if you would need to take a picture of it, you can just click Continue. Now, once you upload the documents, after a few moments, your profile will be verified, so you will receive this message right here. And from there, you would be able to deposit or withdraw funds from Pocket Option. And that's guys how you can verify your profile on Pocket Option. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.